Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new subscription box. Brand new to me, brand new to you, brand new in general, I do believe. And that is called the Good Vibe Scribe. Do you want to see what is in the August box and what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received this box today, and again, this is the Good Vibe Scribe. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit of information. I honestly was so busy at work today, I didn't have time to print it out, so I'm going to go ahead and look at it on my tablet here. And the Good Vibe Scribe is sending you good vibes only. And every month you can expect a monthly dose of good vibes to be delivered directly to your doorstep. Each box will feature five full-size products, including unique goods handmade by artisans around the country. So let's go ahead and check out the pricing. I believe it's $35 a month. Let me see here. And I'm sorry, this is actually September. This is when they do start their box. This is for September. So this is a sneak peek, you guys. And it's $35 per month. So yes, so it'd be $35 a month. We offer 3 different subscription packages for your convenience. Pay month to month, or you can save if you prepay for 6 or 12 months in advance. So there you have it. And it looks like they're gonna give you a survey and then a checkout. So I'm not quite sure what's that. Okay, so if I were just to click one, when is your birthday? What is your shirt size? So let me just click something here to see if it's going to ask any other questions. Continue. Then it goes straight to my shipping address and all of that good stuff. So it does ask you for your birth date and your shirt size. So maybe at some point they do put clothing items inside. Who knows? Let's go ahead and dive in here and see what this is all about. I'm so excited. Now, one of my amazing subscribers, I guess, reached out to this company. This company sent me an email saying one of your subscribers referred you, and I would like to send you a box for you to review on your channel. So thank you so much for sending me this box, and thank you to my viewer who actually reached out to them, telling them about me. I do greatly appreciate both of you guys. I generally do. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Good vibes inside. Let's go ahead and see what we're going to be. Again, thank you so much for sending me this to review, and thank you to my viewer for referring me. So let's go ahead and get in here. Now, this is like a book. This is like a cute little book, and this is their first box. So for them to have this good of a presentation, that is amazing. And ooh, this bag looks awesome. And look how nicely everything is just put down in place. Oh my goodness, that is very nice, especially for their first box. So let's go ahead and see in here. No, it says August. No, now it says August. But on here, I thought it said September's box. Am I crazy or am I not crazy? Let me go back, because I don't want to show you, because it shows me exactly what's in here, which you're going to see it anyways. But on here, it literally says September right there, September 2019. But on here, it says August 2019. So I'm not quite sure which box this is then. It's one of the two. It's either September or October. October. It's either August or September, you guys. So it says August 2019 featured products overview. Every company and product has a story. Peek inside and learn a little about these wonderful gifts you have received. And that is amazing that they do. Look at this, like a pamphlet. It's like a book. How cute. Okay, so they don't give pricing, but it does go over the specific item. So let's go ahead and see. Now I will link their website down below, so you can definitely check them out and subscribe if you would like. So the first item that we did see right on top is this bag. And I have to tell you, this is a very thick, well made. This feels amazing. And I bet you this is like a little tassel that we can let loose. Let your flurry things fly. And whip your hair back and forth. All right, there we go. So look how cute is that? Not only is it really pretty with like that scroll like design, this is really thick. I don't know how else to explain it. It's raised like with a thick fabric on top. That is really, really pretty. And there's an actual zipper inside. When have you ever had a bag like this that had another little zipper pouch inside? That is so cool. That is really neat. I don't need the desiccant, but I can't believe there's a pocket in here. But it's all black inside, and again, you do have that zipper pocket right there. And that is a very nice feeling bag. I really, really like that. I've never had one feel like this before, you guys. I'm really actually impressed. And it looks like there might have been a different variation, because in here it shows that one. And it says, America and Beyond is a family-owned business that works directly with craft people in villages and small communities in India and provides them trade to give them sustainable independence. They design and manufacture in-house source materials ethically and are dedicated to delivering keepsake quality. They are passionate about connecting contemporary designs with a network of craftspeople, creating unique collections to be cherished. This unique handmade clutch is Bohemian inspired for a perfect holiday, beach, or festive look. I am so glad I got the black and white one. Not anything wrong with the colored one, but this just can go with anything, and I love that. And this was handcrafted in India. That is awesome. So we have this really beautiful bag. I love that. Oh my goodness, I really, really do. All right, so I'm just gonna go with the next thing that's on the next page. These are Tipsy coasters, jellyfish high blue car coasters. Now I do have car coasters in my car right now, and it's like more of like a marbly effect with browns and greens. So I'm definitely replacing them with these because hello, these are my favorite color. And it says High Tides, Good Vibes, and it has a jellyfish. That is so, so cute. And these are made in America. And it says Tipsy coaster products are proudly handcrafted in the USA, and they're both exactly the same. Their premium limestone tiles are custom and printed with high resolution images that can be hand washed without wear. Standard size, fits most cup holders, proudly made in the United States. Daydream of a day at the beach? These super absorbent car coasters add flair and function with unique graphics and sayings. High Tides, Good Vibes. And I really, really like these because that's the kind of coasters that I do get because they do absorb any of the sweat or moisture from your drink. These are the only coasters that I keep in my house, in my car, at my work, all of that. So I do love that. I appreciate that they are the type that do absorb it, and I'm loving these colors. So you know where these are going tomorrow morning on my way to work. I'm swapping these out. So I'm so glad that I got that because the ones that I have are not really my colors, but it's just something I settled with that was neutral colors. So next we have bamboo straws. Ooh, I've never heard of bamboo straws. So, and it says bamboo straws right there, and they are literally bamboo straws. I'll see you. Let me go ahead and turn the page and find where these are. These are coconut bowls, bamboo straws set of 2. Coconut Bowls is more than a brand. It's a movement for global sustainability. All of their products are 100% natural and biodegradable, meaning they don't disrupt the ecosystem in any way. Coconut Bowls continue to create ethical jobs, improve economic sustainability, and build invaluable relationships with local communities throughout Vietnam. Handmade from 100% natural bamboo stakes, bamboo straws are a great alternative to plastic straws and help reduce waste. These eco-friendly bamboo straws are perfect for drinking your daily smoothie. So that is awesome. I really like that. I've never had anything with like bamboo, and there's bamboo straws. That's so cool. So there is the third item, you guys. Next is something that I absolutely love, is the sponge jelly. And this one is in coconut verbena. Cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. So there's that. And we know what this is. This is an LA-based company specializing in innovative delivery systems from professional care to consumer products industry. Everything you love about sponge gel in a small, convenient travel size, accepted on all airlines. Nothing to spill, nothing to break, and everything you need for soft and youthful skin. That's cool. I might save this for when I go travel to see my mom in California again, hopefully sometime soon. So I'll probably just save this and I will put this with my travel stuff because that is a very good thing. It is travel friendly, and then I won't have to bring a body wash that could spill in my bag because this is already infused with body wash, and it says 5+ usages, and I only get to go out for a few days, so this would be perfect for my next flight. So that is awesome. I'm hanging on for that. Next we have is goat milk body butter, a rich moisturizing cream for dry, cracked skin, cherry vanilla. I love me some body butters. Anything with skincare or anything like that, you guys know I love. It looks like there was cherry vanilla, coconut water, or lavender, or coconut mango, or lavender. And I'm so glad that I got the cherry because I'm not a huge coconut fan. I'm starting to like the smell because it's more tropics and that kind of thing. I don't eat it. That I won't change. But I'm getting to like the smells and the scents. And lavender, I can't stand at all. So I'm so glad I got the cherry vanilla. Let's go ahead and open this and give her a sniff. Now it says it all begins with the goat. There you go. It all begins with the goat. Of course, I always have to drop something or something goes flying or that smells so good. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Cherry vanilla. I just smell the cherry. That smells so good. And it feels, oh my gosh, that feels so good. Yes, Bates Family Farm goat milk body butter. It all begins with the goat. Well, it begins with the Marine, his lovely wife, and their therapy goat, to be precise. Oh my gosh, I'm just sitting here like rubbing my fingers on this, like in a circular motion. Like it just feels so good. I'm gonna put some on the top of this hand too. After 21 years of service in his country, it was time for Joseph Bates to retire. Weary from his time in the service and trying to overcome his medical issues that plague him after two very trying battles with cancer. Joe decided to move his wife and kids to the mountains of Virginia and start a small farm. Well, thank you for your service and thank you for this body butter because it's, oh my goodness, that smells amazing. It feels amazing. The goats, who are effectively referred to as their kids, were originally purchased for Joe's therapy, but they had hopes of making cheese from their goat milk. While it may have seemed like a good idea at the time, goats multiply like rabbits and they created far more milk than was needed for cheese production. Rather than waste the milk, they set out to find other creative uses for it. Sharon began tinkering with different recipes and lotions and body butters, and once perfected, she took her creations to the local farmers market. It wasn't long before they began getting repeated customers at the market, and they led to local stores carrying their products too. They'd sell out quickly and ask when they could expect more, and then they began the business. Joe oversees the sales and marketing with the small trusted team, and Sharon is the production guru. Every single drop of goodness that comes out of this business has touched their hands first, and they put all the love in the world into it. And oh my goodness, you guys, I don't know if you can tell, my hand is just glistening, and it is so soft. I cannot believe how soft my hands feel and how good. They smell so good. So there's the body butter in itself, and it is a thicker consistency, which I do appreciate because this will definitely go a long way. Oh my gosh. Wow, that smells so good. So for this being their first box, you guys, I gotta give it to them. The box is amazing. I love the actual box itself. I love the colors because of course teal is my favorite color. They match the pink font with the pink squigglies. The way that they had it set in place, perfectly presented, was spot on. Their book, it's a full-on book that tells you all about it. Like most companies barely even tell you the name of the products. So for their first box, I think they definitely hit it out of the park. If you guys want to sign up, you can, I think you can hurry up and sign up. You have a few days to get this box, and then this box will be up, and then they'll be doing their new box, which I can't wait to see what they end up doing on their next box, because for this first box, this is amazing. So again, we got this amazing body butter. And again, thank you so much for your services and for creating this body butter, because my goodness, Spongel, you know, I love these. And this is definitely going in my suitcase for when I travel. We have some bamboo straws, which we can all use to help the environment, which is amazing. These car coasters are so, so cute. I can't wait to put these in my car tomorrow. And this is got to be the best feeling and looking bag that I think that I own. This is just, I wish you guys could feel this. Like, I wish you could just reach through, feel this, reach your hand in my body butter, smell and feel that. Oh my gosh, I really wish you could, but you can't. So you got to trust me. But again, I don't know if you can see the different textures. It is definitely higher. This just feels so nice. This feels so nice. And I love that it has a bag inside of the bag, like a zipper pouch, which is amazing. So that is everything that we got in this month's box. I will link their website down below, so you can definitely go and check them out. This is an amazing box, you guys. So that is all that I have for you today. Go ahead and comment down below. What did you think? What did you think about their very first box? Some boxes come out and I'm like, oh my gosh, what are they doing? This one was like, I would think they've been around for years. By the presentation, by everything that's in here, by their book, the literature, everything in here is just spot on. Like, congratulations, you guys are starting off very, very well. Thank you again for sending me this box to review. Thank you again to my subscriber for referring me. You're amazing. So you guys, definitely, your positive interaction with me means the world. So definitely comment down below. Let me know what you think. What would be your favorite item? Would you want to get this box? Have you heard about this box yet? Because I haven't. Again, they are brand new. So if you want to check them out, definitely go check them out. And again, $35 a month, and you get 5 full-size amazing products from all over the country. So this is, yeah, they've definitely brought me some good vibes. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and then you'll see the different videos that I do load for you. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.